And I'd love to just start with this, basic circles at your side. And what you're doing when you're creating this one is you're coming over the top, like you're throwing a baseball, over the top, like you're throwing a baseball. And right now, you'll notice the 2 poi are hitting the bottom of the turn at the same time. This is called same time. You can switch the timing like this, so it's like you're banging on a drum, right drum, left drum, right drum, left drum, right drum, left drum, right drum, left drum. This is split time. So we can practice going from same time, same, 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 split time, split time, split time, split, and same, 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 split time, split time, split time, split, same, 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 split time, split time, split time, split, and same, 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 split time, split time, split time, split. Okay, now from here, you could take your 2 poi, you'll notice they're going that way. My right poi is on the right side of my body. The left poi is on the left side of my body. If I allow it at the bottom of the turn to come to the front of me, I can then let both poi come in front of me. I can turn and I can come up to the other direction, underhand. So that's like you're bowling, as if you let the bowling ball go. We'll do the same drill here. So underhand, same time, same time, same time, same. And now do the drum thing where you're splitting a time. Split time, split time, split time, split. Now same time, same time, same time, same. Split time, split time, split time, split. Same time, same time, same time, same. Split time, split time, split time, split. Same time, same time, same time, same. Split time, split time, split time, split. Now we're going to do the opposite of what we did a minute ago to get to underhand, to go back to overhand. So now it's when the poi is going up over the top. With your left hand, you come up like that. With your right hand, you have to cross your body as you come up so that both poi land back in overhand on this side. So let's do the drill again. Same time, same time, same time, same. Split time, split time, split time, split. Same time, same time, same time, same. Split time, split time, split time, split. Same time, same time, same time, same. Split time, split time, split time, split. And last time, same, 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 and split, 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 split. Now go back to same time. And we're going to let the 2 poi come across the body on the right side of your body and then come up underhand on the other side, and we'll do same time, same time, same time, same. Split time, split time, split time, split. Same time, same time, same time, same. And split, 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 split. Same, 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 same. Split, 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 split. Same, 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 same. Split, 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 split. Come back to same time. They're both going to come up on the left side over the top, come back down to overhand. We'll do 2 sets instead of 4, so same, 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 split, 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 split. Second set, same, 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 split, 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 split. Same time again. Now let the 2 poi cross at the bottom of the turn on the right side of your body, come in underhand, and 2 sets here, same, 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 split, 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 split. Same, 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 split, 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 split. And both poi are going to come up and over on the left-hand side to this other side here. On this side now, we'll do the same, 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 split, 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 same, 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 split, 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 split. Now sync them up, cross to the other side, come in underhand. And this is the last set here. We'll go same, 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 split, 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 same, 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 split, 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 split. Wait, there's 6 main planes that we work with. If you imagine yourself standing inside of a box, there's the left side of the box, there's the right of the box. But then relative to you, there's the front of the box, which you could also make the side of the box by turning your body. And then there's the other side of the box, or back of the box, depending on how you're standing. And then there's the floor and the ceiling. Much of poi involves not just spinning on one plane, but moving from one plane to the other, like this, in a figure 8. So if you take just one of your poi and you practice going side to side, this is my left poi going left to right. Although one of my students said that the camera mirrors, so I don't know if you guys are seeing it the same way I'm doing it. But left side to right side is on the side plane. If you imagine you're standing on some railroad tracks, you're crossing from one side to the other side. And then you could do the same thing with the right poi. This is from overhand, where you went over the top like you're throwing a baseball, and you're going side to side. Now we're taking both poi, and we could cross both poi. Now what happens is one hand has to go on top of the other. One hand has to go on top of the other. So this is my right hand going on top. This is my left hand going on top. This is my right hand on top, and left on top. Right top, left top, right top, left top, right top, left top, right top, left top. Okay, now if you go to your split time, this is where it gets a little crazier. If you want to do your right on top, that means your left's on bottom. You cross the bottom hand first. So left bottom, right top, and then you open it back up. Left bottom, right top, open it back up. Left bottom, right top, open it up. Left, right, open, open. Left, right, open, open. Left, right, open, open. Left, right, open, open. Now, left, right, continuous. We're just going to cross left on bottom, right on top. Left on bottom, right on top. This is a 2-beat weave in overhand with the left hand on bottom. Now, if you didn't get that one, you can try its friend, which is the same move, only you start with the right poi crossing and the left on top. So it's right, left, open, open. 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 And then you can try that continuously, where it's right, then left, then right, then left, then right cross, left cross, right cross, left cross, right cross, left cross. And I'm not doing circles in the middle. I'm just going back and forth with each poi. Of course, you still need to get this basic figure 8 with each hand before you can do that. So that's the overhand 2-beat weave with the right on bottom, which is the second one we did, and the left on bottom, which is the first one we did. Okay, let's do that whole thing again in underhand on this side. So you're here in underhand. Stop spinning your right poi, just your left poi. And what you're going to do is at the bottom of the turn, some people struggle with this one, I'll show you from this side. At the bottom of the turn, you cross your hand to the other side, and then you want to push down and forward to get the poi to spin on that side, and then you want to bring it back home and bowl. So you push down and forward when you cross and bowl on its own side. Down and forward on the other side, bowl. Down and forward, bowl. Down and forward, bowl. Down and forward, bowl. And side to side with your left hand. You're going side to side. And if you had a hard time doing the one on the opposite side of the body, so the left poi on the right side, take your poi from stillness, start it on the right side of your body, and push down and forward like this to start it. Then you're going to come back to the bowling, and then down and forward. Come back and bowl, down and forward. Come back and bowl, down and forward. And then you can go side to side with it, and you'll learn this underhand crossover with the left hand. And if you're a righty, don't worry. It's good that we're starting with the harder hand. And if you're a lefty, sorry, you're in the minority. Most people are righties. So I start with what is often the more difficult hand to give people a false sense of dismay, so they're excited when they get to their more adept hand. Okay, let's try it with the right hand. And let's try by starting the right poi on the left side. You push down and forward like this, and then bring it home and bowl. Push down and forward and bowl, down and forward and bowl. And this is the basic figure 8 with the right hand in underhand on your side plane, right? Because we're standing in that railroad track, and these are on the side plane. Now we're going to do the same thing we did in overhand. So both poi are here, underhand like this. And we're going to take the 2 poi, and let's cross the right poi on top and the left on bottom. Right on top, left on bottom. Right on top, left on bottom. Now, if you're struggling with this, you had a hard time doing the crossover, or you didn't know what to do, you could start by crossing your arms. With my right on top, this is my right. With left on bottom, this is my left. And then you push down and forward, and then home. Down and forward, and then bring them back to their own side. So when I say home, I mean the poi on its own side. So home, away, home, away. You start the 2 poi away, and bring them home, and then away. So it's from the side, because in reality, if I were performing this, I would not perform this like this. I would perform it so that you guys got to see the whole circle. I would perform it like this. And home, away. Bowl, push down and forward. Bowl, cross the arm, push down and forward. Bowl, push down and forward. Bowl, push down and forward. Bowl, push down and forward. Now, from here, we did the right on top. We could do the same thing with the left on top. So this time when we cross the arm, I want you to bring the left over and the right one under. Boom. Push down and forward, open it up. 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 Down and forward, open, down and forward, open, down and forward, open, down and forward, open. Now, if you got both of those, what you can do is practice alternating. This is my right on top, my left on top. My right on top, my left on top. My right on top, my left on top, my right on top, my left on top. Now, we can do the 2-beat that we did in overhand and underhand. Remember, there were 2 versions of them. So the first one we'll do is where the left is on bottom, the hand that crosses on top crosses first. So if the left's on bottom, that means the right one crosses first, and the left one will cross underneath. The right one will cross, and the left will cross under it. The right one crosses over, the left one crosses under. Right crosses over, left under. Right crosses over, left under. Right, then left, then open, open. Right, left, open, open. Right, left, open, open. Right, left, open, open. And now we can do it continuously, where it's right, then left, then right, then left, then right, and left, and right, and left, and right top, left bottom, right top, left bottom, right on top, left on bottom, right on top, left on bottom. Now, if you're struggling because you're new to this and you don't know where to put your hands, you can make the space between the hands bigger than I'm making it. So it's more like this, and it's exaggerated to give yourself more room to do the 2 crossovers and not worry about hitting them. I know this looks simple, but it isn't always easy. Okay, now let's try the other crossover, where the left is on top, so it crosses over, and the right comes under. Left crosses over, right comes under. Left crosses over, right comes under. Left over, right under, open, open. So left, then right, then open, open. Left, right, 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 open, open. Now continuous. Left and right and left and right, left and right and left and right, left and right, left and right, left on top, right on bottom. And again, you can widen the space if you feel like you're gonna crash the 2 of them together, or you could work on getting it nice and tight like they are, like I'm demonstrating now.